guys, it's me Vaishnavi. Welcome back to another video. Today we have day 2 of Vlogmas. If you didn't already know, I'm doing Vlogmas this year, which means I'm going to be posting a video every day starting from December 1 ending December 25th. So for today's episode of Vlogmas, we have a things that I love a lot haul. So I've had this idea since like a long time now, but I was not doing this video. I don't know why, but here I am doing it today. So I think that is pretty much it for the intro. Now without any further ado, let's move on to the video. The first item in our haul is this deodorant by Nivea. It is pretty much the only one that I like because you guys are probably aware that perfumes are very expensive, and when I say it, I mean it. And this is by Nivea and it is very cute. I don't wear deodorant that often. I've bought this like 1.5 years ago and it's still like filled up till here. So this is going to last me for the next 20 years. So this is the one that I like. You guys can also try it out. I will probably link it in the description if I can find it on Amazon. Coming up, we have a handful of earrings which I'm going to be showing you guys one by one. First, we have these very popular earrings which I think like most of my friends have because these are so popular and they're very cute and they're very minimalistic. That is why I bought these, because I don't like very heavy earrings. This is the first one. I think it's really cute. Next, we have my favorite of all time, these earrings. They are black. I think they're black but golden. I think it is iridescent black, and these are pretty heavy than the previous ones, but I love these ones so much. They're so like pretty, and like I like minimalistic things, but this is not minimalistic, but still I love these a lot, and I've had these since I think January and I love them. Next up, we have these golden square earrings which are very cute. Now these are the earrings which I'm showing you guys right now. It is golden in color and it is very pretty and very simple and minimalistic, and I love these so much. I got these in January as well, and yeah, I love them. Next up, we have these tiny hoops which aren't exactly hoops, I think, but they're still very cute and they're round. That is why I call them hoops, because I don't know about these things a lot. So these are the ones I have. I even gifted one of my friends the same earring. So we both have the matching ones now, and these are the ones I'm talking about, and they're very cute. The next one which I'm going to show you is probably the cutest thing in the whole video. They're these tiny blue earrings. First of all, the color. It is so, versatile and so gorgeous. I love electric blue. So this is very pretty, and like look at it. Like it is very, beautiful. I would love to wear it right now, but I don't want to take off my previous earrings. So this is what I'm going to do. See, it's so cute. I love it so much. I also have the same pair but in orange, so I don't really know how to explain these. These are basically the same thing but orange. I think I've had them since 2 years now, but yeah, I like it a lot. Now I'm done with all the earrings, but the next thing we have is this concealer by Swiss Beauty. I don't know about makeup, so all of you makeup gurus out there, please don't make fun of me. So the one I'm talking about is by Swiss Beauty. I think it is one of the most affordable brands of makeup here in India, and I don't know the shade. The shade is N01, which I'm using right now, and it matches me perfectly. So it is very cute. I like it. The bottle, the packaging, everything. It is so sleek, but it is so inexpensive, which is very cute. The next one is probably the best and my favorite lipstick of all time. Not the one I'm wearing right now. What just happened? It is this one. It is by Attitude. The shade is, very neutral and very beautiful. I don't remember the name. Yeah, the name is Passionate Pink, shade number 7 by Attitude. I don't remember the exact collection because I've had this since 1.5 years as well. But this is so amazing. Like, it completely matches my sweater. You can see it right now. Now we've finally come to the last item on this haul, and they are these brushes by Attitude. They actually came in a set, but all of these are not all of them. It comes with, I think, 12 different brushes, but Attitude is such an underrated brand. I got these 3 years ago, and they're still in like perfect condition. Again, these are not all of them, but I love these so much. You guys can also check these out. I don't remember the model number again, but if I can find it anywhere, I would be sure to link it down below. And if I don't, I will link something related to this down in the description box. So yeah. So the things which you just saw were all the things which I love a lot. And today we had like a drastic background change going on. So I'm in like a completely different room of my house. So as per the Vlogmas ritual, I'm going to be saying one thing which I'm grateful for. Today I'm grateful for my family for supporting me for everything I do. And I think they're the best family I could ever have asked for. And yes, I have marked day 2 in my homemade advent calendar because real advent calendars are super expensive, as I said in my previous video. So this is what I have done. If you want to see like a better preview of this, you can check out my previous video, which would be linked in the description below. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you want to know how I planned my vlogmas, that video would be linked in the description below. That is like a great video if you want to do vlogmas as well. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. In case you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also hit that big red subscribe button down below and the little post notification bell right next to it to get notified every time I post a new video. By doing this, you'll become the member of the hashtag notification squad and one of my Miracle Fam members. That is pretty much all I wanted to say for this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, goodbye. I'm seriously going to get trolled for this makeup.